Yo, we in February as the month. The day, I have no clue. But it's 2011 though. We just put brand new fuel filter, carburetor, spark plugs on this 305 cubic inch small block inside a Photo Chevy Malibu. Look at that bad boy. Fresh paint job. Y'all already know what's next. Get your new blow job. Listening to the first crank on the new carburetor. That bitch sound nasty. Look at them pipes. He hungry. Look at that bad boy. Woo! Look. That be ready. Be ready. Yeah, boy. You hear that motherfucker getting it? Look, same thing gonna happen to y'all boys. Talking to all that shit from Georgia and these street cars and shit like that. I got this 87 Cutlass being built as we speak. Small block on the gun. Y'all come see me when I get to Eden, Georgia.